Welcome to your meteorology definition of the day. Today's word is cyclone. We're going to begin with the shortest definition, which comes from the American Meteorological Society through their glossary of meteorology. An atmospheric cyclonic circulation, a closed circulation. An atmospheric circulation would obviously refer to a circular movement of air and thus winds, and a closed circulation refers to the fact that the winds would make a complete circle. But what does it mean by cyclonic? In the northern hemisphere, we typically conceptualize cyclonic as being counterclockwise. However, in the southern hemisphere, cyclonic would be referred to as clockwise. This makes it seem like that there's opposing definitions for the same word, but once again, we're going to refer to the glossary of meteorology to be able to help clear that up, where they have cyclonic defined as fluid motion in the same sense as that of the Earth. Now, if you were to look down on the Earth onto the North Pole and looked at the Earth as it was rotating, you would see it moving in a counterclockwise rotation. On the flip side, if you were looking down on the Earth on the South Pole, you would see that it is making a clockwise rotation. Thus, in the same sense, in the northern hemisphere, you have counterclockwise, and in the southern hemisphere, you have clockwise. Now, I say cyclonic circulation is associated with atmospheric low pressure, which is why you will often find dictionary definitions referring to a storm or a system of winds that rotate about an area of low atmospheric pressure. Why cyclonic is associated with areas of low pressure is not something for today, as that involves getting into the weeds about things like pressure gradient force and Coriolis. What you should know is that is why things like tropical depressions, tropical storms, hurricanes, and typhoons can be and are referred to as tropical cyclones, since they are closed cyclonic circulations around an area of low pressure.